guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox the Goodiebox. But before we get into this box, a quick little reminder to hit the link in the bio. The first link in there, you will go to my giveaway. I have a giveaway, and I changed up the rules a little bit. So as soon as I reach 500 subscribers, I'm giving away that box instead of 750 subscribers. So make sure to check it out, and as soon as I give away that box, another giveaway will start. Okay, so back to this month's box. This is a pink box, and it says over here, Girl Boss. Let's see, let's open this fella up. This is what that looks like. So we got the little booklet here and then pink paper. Is it October? Yeah, it's October. I'm not really sure if this is anything to do with like the cancer thing, because it's all pink and it's just like Girl Boss. Well, no, but that's Girl Boss. I don't know. Anyway, ooh, okay. These are the items in this month's box. Okay, let's open up the booklet and let's keep it right up there. Okay, first item to start with. I guess I could start out with this. And this is a fan brush. And honestly, I don't think I will get it out of the pack. I'm not just sure yet if I'm going to use this one or not, because I have like 3 or 4 fan brushes already, all brand new, never been used. So this is like the 5th. I'm not really sure if I'm going to keep this or if I'm going to do it like in a giveaway, but this fan brush is from Luxy Beauty, and I know it's a little bit reflective because of like the foil, but this is what that fella looks like, and it's a full size clearly, and it costs, whoa, this fan brush costs 21 euros. Okay, I'm going to get this out of the seal, because that expensive of a fan brush, like, that better be doing its job. I will have to say, for 21 bucks, I find the packaging a little bit cheap, not gonna lie. Oh, wow, it's actually not soft at all. It has a couple of like loose hairs here and there. It feels, is this real hair? Honestly, I'd have to look it up. Does it say in the booklet if cruelty-free brushes? No, so well, clearly it's not real hair, but it doesn't feel soft at all. As a matter of fact, it feels very sturdy and very, like, I don't know if that's a good thing. I will have to give it a try and check it out, but I find it a lot of money for a simple fan brush, so I'm gonna, you know, expect some really big things from this fella. Okay, moving on to a little tube, which is from Ilse Jacobsen. She must be from Scandinavia. This is Sea Buckthorn Eye Cream. Okay, that's pretty cool. Suitable for all skin types. Nice. An anti-wrinkle eye cream that reduces puffiness using only a small amount applied to the eye contour, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so this is what that fella looks like. And it says over here that it is a full size and it costs 23 euros. Moving on to a sheet of some sort, and clearly this is a mask. It's from Mask Me Up, but like Mask Me Up, you'll see it. It's a moisturizing sheet mask, always great. I think it has coconut in here because I can see like coconuts. Natural bio cellulose face mask. Okay, sounds pretty darn good. And a face mask clearly is going to be a full size. And this little sheet mask costs 5 euros. Moving on to 2 more items, and the box is empty. Okay, the first item is Ling, from Ling, New York. Okay, Dual Moisture Emulsion Advanced Anti-Aging Hydrator for dry, dehydrated, and aging skin. Oh my god, this is like the perfect thing for me, because my skin is very dehydrated and I have to work on like anti-aging because I'm almost old, past my due date, I guess. It doesn't say it's a full size, so this clearly is not going to be a full size. This is what that little fella looks like. Hopefully you guys are able to see that. And it says over here that the price is 58 euros. Wow. Oh, okay, but that is for 118 milliliters, and this is 30 milliliters. I was just gonna say, like, 58 euros. That is more than like my Estee Lauder creams, and those are a lot. So, okay, so that's pretty cool. So, like I said, 58 bucks for 118 milliliters, and that's still a hell of a lot of money. But you do get a hell of a lot in there. Usually it's only like 50 bucks. And this is 50 bucks. What the hell am I talking about? 50 milliliters. And this is 118 milliliters, like the full size. So clearly, you know, that's a lot. It feels very watery in here. Like, I don't know if that's good. Wait a minute. Is this like a day cream? Because now I'm like doubting because it's so watery. Let's see what it says. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, okay, yeah, it's definitely more of an emulsion. So it's definitely more like a serum type thing than it is a day cream. I thought like it's a moisturizer thing, so I thought it was a cream, but it's like really, really watery, but it's not a cream. Okay, you know what? I am expecting a lot from this. I think it's a lot of money, first of all, to pay, but maybe this is amazing. I don't know. Don't knock it till you try it, so I cannot wait to get my hands on this. Okay guys, last item in the box is from, oh dear lord, it's from Figs and Rouge. It's the Hydra Matte Pore Correct Velvet Cream. As soon as it says Hydra Matte, it's not for me. Pore Correcting Velvet Touch Smooth Matte Cream. Innovative pore perfecting formula with a replenishing and hydrating matte effect. Brightening complex with vitamins A, C, and E helps restore natural radiance. Purifying and perfecting salicylic acid helps unclog and reduce pore size. And then the last thing, it says smoothing hyaluronic acid helps restore long-lasting vitality. Directions: blend onto T-zone and over enlarged pore areas with fingertips before applying makeup. Alternatively, wear over moisturizer for a nude matte look. So basically this is a primer. Let's see what it looks like. It says over here that it is a full size, but you know, it's, here's the thing, it's still Figs and Rouge, you know what I mean? And it's still, oh my God, I just now realized that this thing has been in the video the entire time. Why is this so freaking close to my face? Anyways, wow, that is really embarrassing and like a really bad video. I am so sorry about that, but I'm also gonna be honest, I'm lazy and I'm not gonna film this over again. Besides, I broke the paper. It's not gonna be genuine. So it's embarrassing and we're just gonna roll with that, okay? Okay, so this is what that fella looks like. But like I said, it's really mattifying and I am dehydrated and dry as is. I don't need anything matte. So I think I'm gonna pass this fella along either to a friend or you'll see it in a giveaway. But it costs, wow, it's just a lot of money because this fella, that tube is 33 euros. Like, I kid you not. It says over here 33 euros. I find that hard to believe. Okay guys, that was it for this month's box. I know this video is late, by the way, but my little nephews were here and the house was kind of packed and I just didn't have time for that, not with two little kids running around here. So that's the reason why it's like later on. But what do I think of this month's box? We received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. Out of all of the items, this fella I'm not going to use because I'm not like oily skin. I'm a matte skin pretty much already, so I don't really deal with the whole oiliness. I'm extremely excited about the Ling. I am also excited about the eye cream and the mask. As y'all know, I love masks. I definitely love like the mask that you actually have to put on more so than sheet masks, but still a mask is a mask and I love it. This fella I find a lot of money and we're just gonna have to see what this fella does. And this fella, like I said, I'm not gonna use. Probably I'm gonna do this in a giveaway. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to check out the giveaway. Make sure that like more people subscribe to my channel. The more people subscribe, especially if it's through you, the more bonus points you'll get, which also means that the higher the chances of you winning that giveaway. Thank y'all so much for watching once again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!